I love 7th generation laundry detergent, and I've been using the liquid laundry detergent for a long time. I specifically love the lavender scent. I find it really inviting. But I've been switching over to their detergent packets as these are so easy to use and I don't run into overfilling like I can sometimes accidentally do when I'm not paying attention with the detergent. Now, there are some tricks to how to use these. The main one being that you do not want to put these into your detergent drawer because that drawer just does a quick rinse to wash the detergent into the washer, but it doesn't have constant flow and these need a little more time to break down. So instead, you throw these into the drum before you add your laundry. And how laundry machines work is the water actually will fill up from the bottom, meaning that pod will get wet and dissolve before the laundry starts washing. So I find these exceptionally convenient. They definitely work and they give me all the great benefits of using 7th generation products for my family and the planet. The one difference I would say between these two detergents is that I can really smell the lavender when I use the liquid detergent, and it's much lighter with these detergent packs. So if you're going for heavy lavender, I would definitely use this one and use the 7th generation lavender fabric softener sheets and you're good to go. But if you're looking for super convenience with a high quality laundry detergent, this is the one.